Alright, so if your PC feels slow, laggy, or apps take time to respond even when you're not doing much, your RAM cache might be overloaded. In Windows 11, cached memory builds up to help speed things up, but sometimes it gets stuck and slows everything down. So in 2026, let's go step by step and clear RAM cache properly. First, just restart your computer. Yeah, it sounds simple, but this instantly clears RAM cache and background memory. Next, open Task Manager and check what's running. Close apps you're not using, they quietly consume RAM in the background. Now go to the Startup tab. Too many startup apps fill RAM before you even start using your PC. You can also clear standby memory by restarting or refreshing your system. This helps free up cached RAM instantly. Now check virtual memory settings. If your RAM is low, Windows uses disk space as backup memory. Some services keep using RAM even when idle. Close or limit unnecessary background services. Browsers can eat a huge amount of RAM. Close unused tabs or restart your browser regularly. Turn off features you don't use, like widgets or background sync. This reduces constant RAM usage. If RAM issues continue, run a memory diagnostic test. This checks for hardware-level problems. Finally, restart your PC again. This ensures all cached memory is cleared properly. So yeah, that's how to clear RAM cache in Windows in 2026. A few simple steps and your system feels faster, smoother, and more responsive instantly.